This is how I do the Russian manicure without complicating my life. I'll show you a real step-by-step with the tools I use. With an orange stick, we'll start lifting the cuticle and opening the proximal fold, enhanced with this lovely metal pusher from Legacy Nails. To clean the nail contour, we'll use the Flame Bit 5 from Legacy Nails, which is wonderful. Use it professionally to avoid damaging the nail plate, so watch the video details. I love cleaning with this bit because the finishes are neat and beautiful, and I reduce table time, using only 2 bits and achieving precise, beautiful polish. Let me highlight, girls, that the drill I'm using is from my favorite brand, Legacy Nails, and it's a Maki, right? For these white residues on the sides, we'll use white finish solution. Moisten bit 5 and see this wonder. This liquid is special for leaving beautiful finishes on the sides. The cutting tool, the one that makes you feel confident, open at max 2mm and close at max 2mm. I love the cut with this one from Legacy Nails, I adored it. To finish, we use this cylinder bit, silicone with talc, or the product you want. We have a video in the feed, so go watch it and that's it, healthy and beautiful. Comment, manicure, for more educational videos like this and don't forget, follow the account so you don't miss anything.